Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We
back
back with another one. Bafethu Sibuyile Mapagania and Peter Machimose studio here to analyze the game that we played yesterday. It was Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns. Obviously, Mr. Mlambo Shai were 2-1. Otherwise, Mnandi.
Ngimnandi mfethu, it's part of the game. We were overconfident ukuthi so winner, but we couldn't. We played a matured team than us. You'll get these ones sometimes, I understand. They got me by surprise, Sundowns, because I thought would Buffy. But what I saw yesterday, it was a different thing. Lemeng na ekhanda. But after all, ngimnandi mfethu, Saturday siyawina. Then skip this pongo club abanye.
Nice short analysis, Mr. Mlambo. Ghost, grand.
Hayi mfethi right mfethi arimnati mara right.
Yeah. We'll be fine.
We'll be fine. We're still top. We'll be
Top
fine.
of the table. How many points clear now?
3 points.
3 points clear.
Yeah.
No, we're still nice. We're
We're still there.
Yeah. I don't think I totally agree with Mr. Mlambo saying we were playing a superior team. For me, it's just that we showed them too much respect.
As usual.
As usual. I was about to say, it's what I expected.
Yeah.
I don't know why our coach always approaches these big games with a defensive mindset.
Yeah.
Seems like he's overthinking things. Nanje, whenever he has to face a big team, and I think that is costing us.
Yeah.
And thoughts on the game, Mr. Mlambo? We didn't get your thoughts yesterday.
Njengoba ngishilo mfethu, we started well in terms of creating chances the first 20 minutes, but we couldn't capitalize. But we were not playing our football. That's why we found abantu mfethu, they were better than us. Noma misingaliphathi ibhola noma misingathola ama chance, but they were better than us. We couldn't susa ibhola because me bana fall lapha expressing. But bona mabisusa ibhola they could. If unga check ama highlights or like ama clips nje amancane ngendlela mebaphuma ngayo inside spaces, it was wonderful. I understand. And ngendlela nathi mespressa ngayo, it was not good mfethu.
Yeah.
Mesiya in bit and pieces. Mbuthuma couldn't know when to go, when not to go. Maybe Mbuthuma uyaya bayamshaya, Tito bayamshaya. If you can check the second goal, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Mbuthuma uyaya, Tito late, papa bayaphuma center side Mudiba. Kaya lehluphayo number 12, it's a goal. That's how I saw the game, but we have to capitalize and we have to find a way yokususa ibhola if sidlala namateam so.
Yeah. I think, as I said, our coach overthought this game, because I had even this post-match interview saying they wanted to overload the midfield. I understand. So hence, uthola lore Mbuthuma ozama ukukhuphuka. Tito Maswanganye is trying to add number go midfield, because you saw that game mfethu. I mean, before Sundowns scored, yeah. We had all the chances. He just played it at the back. Obviously, sometimes luck will be on your side. They got one chance, they scored. Before that chance, we got about 2-3 chances.
Good ones, yeah.
Good ones,
Yeah.
We couldn't capitalize. I think it was a failed play now, Coach AP Ghost.
Yeah, Anton, I think Lena, I agree with you fully there. I think coach got it wrong to tactically. His plan was wrong. Because you remember I was showing you but Sheba but ball and we are just watching them. Marva press you want to and after goal you could see now Kona Murbatlang press in each and every opportunity.
And you saw when you press got desperation. As Mr. Mlam was mentioning already, they were able to move out of tight spaces. No, I don't think they were moving out of tight spaces. It was a disjointed press. One
Press,
so like
that's
it,
it.
someone is going there, someone is going there.
Meaning they
There's
are going
space,
to
yeah.
the same person, Bali to.
One so like
Yeah, I
it,
think our passenger, Kyonen Air Costa.
ke yone ne re costa
Yeah.
mfethu wa ntsola ene it gave like most of the people impression or Sundowns were
Strong,
dominating the
yeah.
game wa ntsola
Yeah.
even when you check the position mfethu it's embarrassing. I mean we're playing at home. I think it was around 38% allowing Sundowns to have all the ball, and when you consider Sundowns scored first half, you think when you come in second half you dominate the game wa
Yeah.
ntsola. It wasn't the case wa ntsola. But at least the second half respondile nyana wa ntsola, you could see the intensity.
Sure.
But again it's it's being reactive wa ntsola ke rere jwa. You are 2 goals down against a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, let's be honest, it's done wa ntsola.
Sure.
It's done, you were just chasing shadows wa ntsola. Moving right along to our coach Mr. Mlambo for yesterday's game.
For me, it's a 7. Mina ngiyezwa I'm playing a coach. I wouldn't blame a coach.
Yeah.
I'll,
Or should
I'll
we, should we,
also-
should we, I forgot in Tontang, I'm a post-match interview, sorry to disturb your thoughts there.
post-match
But yesterday we went to FNP, if it's
Sure.
unfamiliar territory, what like it.
Our first time there.
Our first time there as a channel, one
Sure.
so we struggled a bit where to find the spot. I think the Mapagania man, surely they were looking for us and they couldn't find us.
Sure.
I think we must come up with a plan, Coast. And Mr. Mlambo will, especially
announce.
FNP, because it seems like we'll play against always Sundowns, FNP,
Chiefs, yeah.
FNP, one so we
Yeah.
have how many games there?
4.
4 games, one so at FNP. So we must
3.
find,
Yeah.
yeah?
4 or 3. La because Sundowns angidlala home yeah.
Loftus,
3
yeah.
Oh,
games.
you need a home. Yeah, I understand. So we must try and find a spot that Mama Pagania or Solanti. But that one wasn't bad at all.
Yeah. No, it wasn't bad, especially Anesere Tsotsiga Montle. I think we got nice pictures capturing the FNP title.
FNP,
Yeah. So maybe I don't know, we will strategize then Retla Chila Mapagania on the next pod or
Yeah.
ka game ya Chiefs ba tla re thola kae.
Yeah.
But FNP is beautiful, Mr.
Oh,
Mom.
ntanga,
And it's
Calabash.
big,
Oh,
ito,
it's huge. It's huge. If it's. And then you stand out yesterday, Mr. Mlambo, post matches.
10 plates. And for me, it was seeing like umuntu mombukela mfethu.
Yeah,
understand.
beautiful
Like
moment.
someone ousadlala ibhola you used to look up to.
Yeah.
Then when you got to see him, you saw me with the lights there. Hey, cishe ngaLuis uyazi usikhulu because I just wanted to touch the guy or just wanted to embrace like ngipuputa amaflower.
Yeah.
But for me, like it was a special thing to see that guy.
Nah.
Yeah.
Beautiful, in fact. And during the interview, he was mentioning the treble, and I was like, "Oh, yeah, this guy took a treble
Sure. Twice.
Yeah,
Treble twice.
twice.
Yeah.
Yo, thought I like imagine that if it, even this guy, and then check how we got him. One time,
Sure.
sometimes got if it works in mysterious ways. One time.
Yeah.
Beautiful one from Tintley to answer like that. Lovely guy, very public. Ghost.
Yeah, I think obviously Tentlade will be the standout. But in terms of just analyzing, I think Tatana Fetu unpacked it nicely.
Yeah.
And I think he made some few good points. Although saying next Nelson, but yeah, I think he analyzes it quite nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was the guy in the suit.
Oh yeah.
I forgot his name. What
Sure.
that guy, if it, like he caught me by surprise as well.
Yeah.
But sometimes someone is going to wear a suit to a stadium, you're
Sure.
really thinking your own things. This guy, young John, but immediately when he speaks,
Speaks football.
He speaks football, and you can hear this guy is well, is knowledgeable. So beautiful, and all the other Paganeers who came through.
I wanted to also give a shout to that man. I forgot his name as well. I think it's Davey or something. The colored guy.
Oh,
Yeah.
the colored guy.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think
Mavu.
Mavi or something.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
Mavu.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think Leno Shaile.
You know,
Yeah,
Shahid,
yeah,
eh?
yeah.
And I saw Nana, then I cut it short.
Sure,
And
yeah.
I realized that I need to check the minutes. I think it was like 2 minutes.
It was a short one.
Hey, you
Yeah.
was
And he was answering so nicely, in face, giving thorough responses.
yeah,
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 share
yeah.
Batiski.
Eshe Batiski,
Yeah. And
yeah.
then last shout out Buffett to Lady Sister Rakarabo Fitu. I think she also said some nice
Yeah.
words, yeah,
Yes,
to
yes, yes,
encourage
yes.
Mapagania to sing Buffett. Let's sing and encourage the
Yes, yes,
boys at
yes.
the stadium
Yeah,
Buffett.
Mapagania. For those of you who haven't watched that interview of it, please go check it out. I think she's the only female that we had yesterday. She was basically saying, Buffett, to let's back our team even in difficult times. So
Sure.
understand, it doesn't help for us, which is kind of like Mapagania Stadium. We 2-0 down. Feels like everything is against them. And so
Sure.
let's continue. Let's cheer the boys. And so let's cheer the boys. And so,
I begin.
yeah, we make it clear. And then, yeah, Mr. Mlambo, we can jump straight to Coach JP again.
It's 7 Tanga for me, you understand.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put a lot of blame from the coach. Even the players, I think they must be accountable for other things. Coach obvious ubekile i11 yakhe. I thought Mbata was going to be there, but ngizwe ngathi bathulimela. I'm not sure whether that's the correct information or what, you understand. But I saw uMasindi. But igame mina uyakhumbula ngilo ngigijima ngifunana nani. Ngiqale kahle kahle ukulibukela I think nge7 minutes or so.
Yeah.
But mangiyibona we were getting the chances. I think it was working like in our favor. Butuma could have scored. Apolice umpasile kamnandi. You understand? Akhona ama chances akawatholile. Tito got some chances.
Yeah.
Mesimnandi ndanga, you understand? Siyema mekashaya uvalo. Butuma was not scoring chances. So we can't put the blame yonke ku coach. Okay, maybe lapho singakhala khona ama subs akhe ukuthi who are we having ngaphandle egamini so if maybe like dingakala umuntu.
Yeah.
Moremi got in. I didn't see anything. I think I would have liked to see Master Chef because lezi Sundowns azidlala ibhola fast. You understand? Dlala ibhola slow. So Master Chef could have meshed their play because futhi udlalile nanabo. You understand?
But seeing as even Mr. Mnamo is like he had a good performance. Coach,
Yeah.
Like what was bad from the coach?
Fit.
Tactics.
Like the way we started the game, Mr. Mnamo.
I don't think it's the coach. That's why I need to
No.
play.
Go listen to his press
Post-match.
conference.
Alright.
Post match. No, I understand. That guy, he said it. That they knew Sundowns it's a team that likes to play. They would allow Sundowns to compact the midfield. And I knew from the onset that this guy is going to do exactly what I was thinking. And it's fortunate for us that you don't play Mamelodi Sundowns every week. Because if we're playing Sundowns every week, I think this coach goes to he'd be exposed to one.
Var.
Because in fact, and you guys mentioned it, or most of the teams, in fact, that we play in the Petway, in fact,
Sure.
the quality of the opposition when you compare it to us, it's by far there's a huge gap.
Sure.
One so like it,
Yeah.
so chances are, Ghost, they can appoint anyone with that quality. In fact, you're going to do well. One so
Sure.
where we want to see how good you are is
true
against
test.
these opponents. One so
Yeah.
go test yourself. Of it.
Sure.
Now that's what I'm crying for. It doesn't help to sit back if you're playing at home. Of it. One so and he knew if you win this game here, Sundowns, it's
Yeah,
child.
bro.
Let's be honest.
But Donna,
Actually-
you know what maybe irritates me a bit, coach, in fact. We always play these teams, the Imo PSL, in fact, we did our scouting, we go away, they pack the bus, they sit back, they let us play the ball. And we have fantastic ball games,
Yeah.
we go to face Sundowns, and now you want to turn us into the small team now that's gonna look at Sundowns playing ball.
So whatever goes to be these small teams, they allow us to have the ball.
Sure,
They allow us. Sundowns didn't allow us. To
Yeah,
have the ball.
true.
So that's where we need to see how good you are as a coach.
Sure.
Manage this bunch of team.
Yeah.
I'm expecting way much more of it. What we saw yesterday, Then I get frustrated the whole time.
Yeah.
I got motivated when Butuma hit the post and then Tito scored. And so even after that, it was dull.
Sure.
That game was dull. Let's be honest. And so,
Yeah, we were not in our best.
How many chances did we get? If like Sutata yonke blames if Begguard.
Yeah.
Tina, how many chances did we get? Approach yakhe.
yeah, Mr. Mlambo, we got a few chances.
Not
you
a
understand?
few, lots of chances. Not a few,
Yeah.
lots of chances. Ntange Swatolile, and we got a lot of chances more than Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, but that's not entirely true. When you go check our stats there,
How many
you'll
chances?
see we got 50-50. I think it's like 4 on target, 4 on target. So
Not
4
the target, like the chances.
One
Phela
to-
mfethu, like you can get the chance. Umbuthumu uthole ngakhi school. Kunalela kalihedile, that's the first one.
Yeah.
Kuqala. Kunalela, I think second ball Mcmela abuye la, I think undecided, took the ball to the side. Tito got a chance. Ngibali first half.
Yeah.
Tito also got Swatolile mfethu ama chance.
Yeah.
That's
but
why ngisho ukuthi nama player now they must be accountable.
Yeah, I need to
Siyema
will-
ngaye,
yeah.
bekanovalo.
we'll get to the players. I think manje we're still trying to scrutinize what went wrong yesterday.
Sure.
Mr. Mlambo, mfethu, mina, I'm saying to you, mfethu, if you're a big team, you can't go there and playing home and go and play counter-attack football.
Ah,
Yeah.
fair.
But you want immediately when they scored the second goal when I coasted.
Sure.
I was fearing, or this might be another 4 or 5.
Eish.
The way you were playing, like imagine being 2-0 down and then still you are allowing the opposition to have the
Play
ball.
fit. Eish.
That, in fact, that's a red flag for me. And I like, that's a red flag.
Yeah,
So like,
true.
I was fearing if it could know. Like you see the hockey shape, like if it was how we might be at the end of another battery by
Eish.
Sundown. So like it.
Yeah.
You flashback near the whole down. So, but if in fact we go 1-0 down, even that 2-0 down, but we see in fact we are coming.
Sure.
We are coming. Not Mr. Mlambo. I mean, even the chances that we got, in fact, in the individual brilliance, let's be honest.
Yeah. Sure.
In fact, a police in the money.
that cross, sure.
He made something out of nothing.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
can't give credit to coach for such things.
Sure.
You put quality players, they'll give you that.
Yeah.
Go lele at Tito, that's deflection. That's a weak shot, tame shot.
Sure.
Shouldn't be a goal, that thing. Let's be honest. Frustrated. In fact, I think yes, Mr. Mlambo, you are way too lenient.
Yeah. Then I think
Mwanzo.
Mr. Blambo is giving him a high rating. A 7. Yeah. I disagree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your thing?
And I was looking more at a 4. In fact. That was like below average. In fact.
Yeah,
That's
no.
not what we wanna see.
That's a full
Mwanzo.
performance as
Yeah.
well for me. If it's
Go there and attack Sundowns. In fact.
Go there and attack
We bought the
Sundowns,
tickets. In fact, in fact, we are behind the boys. In fact,
Mfethu.
we are on a good track. We win. In fact, why it's interesting to Sundowns?
why, dog? Like why, dog?
Ah, nah.
And so
For the coach.
even the substitutions you mentioned it, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah.
Those substitutions, in fact, why Masindi was there, in fact, the whole 90 minutes. Until
Yeah.
Tito again is being sacrificed. Until after fighting, okay, but I understand that he was fatigued as well. Until
Sure.
who else, in fact? This guy made some crazy substitutions. Dijon substitution.
Yeah.
That like Dijon even been giving us like good cameos. You playing him against Sundowns. Utleza Dijon. Utleza. He's changing really. Umisa left, umisa right. He even said it post match interview when I was listening to it. Or maybe I was wrong to take really and put him there and take him there and put him there. Or when the next time somebody give a better and whatnot.
I'm sure.
Again, it's being reactive.
Yeah.
I think that's a 4 for me as well. And so, moving on to Sipochaine, Mr. Mlambo considered 2 goals.
Emagolini angeke ngikhale ngosipho mfethu. Especially the second one. Konje the first one lingene kanjani?
First one ile on the right.
Oh,
The second one on the
as a
left.
shy umlilo. Ko umuntu oyi-1 ile u12 lehluphayo.
Yeah.
Hey, that guy is problematic.
Yeah, but the first one, the first one we make a konini.
Yeah, ne second one ile udibadiba phasa le out. the figure.
Oh yeah, even the second
Ah,
one,
the
yeah.
second one, there was nothing which Sipho could have done.
Goals, yeah.
Kunama ball megawasave and not like kwasave per se, but red balls azayo. I think megawahendlela grand, I understand. Yes, ngizwile mengihleli nani mina lokho nikhala nge-distribution ukuthi why anga-distribute iball. Then my question was to you, both of you, ukuthi if nitsa distribute iball uzophasa bani lapha phambili, because maybe if kunorile laphaya urele uyi-one, I was busy asking myself that. I think Sipho yesterday didn't like play the ball mekungamele adlale ibhola because we were not having the ball. But I
Yeah.
don't think he had a bad performance on my end. Ukuthi nje i-team yethu as a whole, we didn't play so well, I understand. And Sundowns, I even say much. Sundowns was better than us yesterday. As much as we got chances, Sundowns yesterday was better than us. Ngizomgaya nje i-6 uSipho.
Yeah, Sundowns definitely. No, I agree with you. If it Sundowns was better than us. If it's that was bad, but I think I agree with the 6. Like just below, just above average.
Yeah, no, I was looking more towards average 5. But yeah, if you guys are going with the 6, I'll take it.
Yeah,
I'll take it.
the goals goes to fit. No protection there. Fit. Those are top goals. One sort of top goals.
Yeah.
I think would give him a 6 on so. Moving on to Spilevele, Mr. Mlamba, right back. He hasn't been playing for a long time. We used to coach. Ufuna ukumdlalisa in 90 minutes.
But that guy plays so well, and also it's a fault from coach. I understand, cause ngatagas find.
Yeah.
I understand, find, trying to see if this is gonna work. But that's one work, cause Usbilibili couldn't even finish the game. But Ukijimi is all on fit. He played so well. 1v1 Matthews Megas ukuthi angeke adlule laphaya. The boy was alive.
1v1.
That boy was the first alive person at Team Minutes yesterday.
Yeah.
Who was better than Speedy Bidi. Maybe we can say Hoto and Speedy Bidi. I think they were my best performers yesterday. I understand. I'm a right back to Adlalega cool. Now you Speedy Bidi to not having so much maybe minutes they come to Sundowns playing like that, and we is on the Sundowns, we know that even if you can check his record from CS Galaxy so ukuthi udlala ama-find udlala umchina ucabanga ukuthi uzokora nayizolo, I understand. But udlale kahle kakhulu, ngizomgaya 7.
Ne?
Yeah.
No, I think I agree with the 7. In fact, he had a good performance. In fact, young Jordan Dinjan. The left wing, in fact, we didn't give him space to breathe. I like it defender. Like we are church, young Tola, riding, even a mime attack. Go to him, young Tola, make first contact. If it's a foul, make it corner, throw in or touchline, young Tola. Don't let him in and then fall him inside, young Tola. Again, the coach should have managed these minutes. You could see, but he was running like. It's probably the most guy on our squad yesterday who was doing the most running, and he hasn't been playing. That injury, it was imminent. Or muscle pull or whatever it is. It was gonna happen. Coach again should have managed these minutes because Van Rooyen was on the bench. I understand, but I agree with the 7.
Yeah, I think don't let him not Mobani. Agree with you, Guti. He's probably, if we were to choose from our team, he would be the man of the match. Outlets very, 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 very good. Skia Sasechele. Kia ile fit. Kia spade.
It's similar to the beat.
Ibiza, sure, yeah.
Similar to the beat. There's a touchline there.
Right there.
It doesn't like to come inside.
Sure, and he goes for the ball. I should even toss it by. When I was Kenya fella lo to
yeah, young John.
Excellent.
And in terms of the recovery,
sure.
Sometimes you think it's behind.
Sprint.
Covered. That guy. Yeah, I wonder if you can be serious. he can own that right back position.
Yeah,
He can
VAR.
own
I
that
think
right back.
Ushaki the injury boy.
Yeah.
When I
Yeah,
injury, when I checked the more
Mphakathi.
at Pax camp.
yeah.
Yeah, wabona ra imshayile.
Umshayile, ne?
Yeah.
So,
But akahutla bamnati. Ay, umnati boy.
so but
Right back.
coach and our medical staff, surely they know of it. They must just manage his minutes.
Sure.
It's
Yeah.
simple that thing, coach.
Yeah, true.
True. It doesn't need you to go Ulosha riding to trade for 7 years, Mr. Mlam.
Yeah.
You see if it like Mbata and so.
Sure.
Sometimes rest him, sometimes play him, sometimes give him 60 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
So again, the coach he let us down, and so moving on to CM.
Mega Novalo school is all. I expected a bigger performance from him. Then that's why I knew ukuthi singamblame coach but nama player wethu kumele siwabeke iblame, you understand? Not ukuthi sidliwe or what, but like for accountability. We saying we need Nkanyezi is to a star. Phela when we play this league, we're preparing for next season.
Yeah.
So you must give in big performances in big occasions, you understand? Which is, I think he was nowhere to be found is on. Leantona le U12. I'm
Yeah.
I missed Mbogazi is on. Yesterday, Mbogazi mekazo ilungisa.
Yeah.
Because igoal layo lesi-2, he was inside. Ubhodlela nayo CM.
Yeah.
Kanjani?
Yeah.
Ne-first goal Mbogazi mekazoyilungisa lentwana leya, I understand. But yeah, sizomupha but usasemncane kokunye and he has been doing so well. So ngeke sikhale kakhulu but he has to pull up amasokisi wakhe because we want to win the league in fact after all.
Yeah.
But izolami kaNovalo.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I also sensed ukuthi like we bigger panic a bit, so
Yeah.
everything seems to be rush, and sometimes he just goes forward, the best forward. But this all you could see he didn't really wanna do that. So everybody wanted to give it to Spies. He says, Spies, take responsibility.
Sure.
Spies, take it. And Spies won't take responsibility now. He'll shove it to or China. One all I take responsibility. One all. So we were stagnant.
Yeah.
He didn't move. One all. He didn't move. Sundown said us money barwata thing and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thoughts on CM's performance?
Yeah, and I think Libeil and he
Yeah.
was just having that maybe a stage fright, if we can say.
Yeah.
But yeah, we know what he's capable of, and yeah, I think he will bounce back. He can
He'll
only
bounce
go
back,
get
yeah,
better
I
from
know.
here.
Experience. Players like Abu Riding, if it's I won't crucify them too much.
Yeah,
Because he's young.
Sure.
It's not his fault that you don't have a quality right center back that will step in big games. And
Sure.
so we almost saying to him, you must play every game. You
Sure.
understand? And at this age, it's impossible if you have like good performances throughout. I understand.
Yeah.
In terms of rating yake,
It was just average.
yeah, ne?
Yeah, it's a 5.
Yeah, I think a 5. In fact, I don't think we should crucify him too much. Moving on to our captain, Udede, Ubodlela.
Podlela there.
Hayi Bhodlela ngeke. Hayi ngeke.
Yaka.
Bethi 3 before ngi-explain nje izinto hayi Bhodlela mfethu ngeke mfethu.
Yeah,
Like mfethu aka-80 velo mfethu. Ehle kithi ngathi aka-80 velo kwigame ezola aka-80 velo.
yeah,
Masiliphethe njengoba usho shifting the responsibility. Even noma singaliphethanga akakhona ke ukuthatha leader when we mark.
yeah.
Akafuna ukuthatha like yena akafuna ukulida izinto.
And he's our captain.
He must lead uCM, uyambona uCM ukuthi angithi uyathuka vandag. Mtshela
Sure.
asahambe ntwana. Asahambe. We in fact you saw the mentality of Sundowns. Those guys uyababona mfethu. Sihaya siyabalanda labo.
Yeah.
Banamanga.
Sure.
Kodwa we expect that from him ukuthi mdala hayi banamanga labo. Yithi esiphethe la.
Sure.
Ngeke balunge. But we didn't see that. Vocal, patient. Then there's no issue le. We vocal we couldn't hear them. But patient, yambona mfethu umuntu passionate ukuthi sihaya amadoda sihaya.
Yeah.
Didn't see anything. When we mark, nowhere to be found.
disappointing from Podlela, mfethu. Maybe I'm reaching, but I think even that pass from Mudiwa, if they held a straight line down, mfethu, yangithola, that guy was gonna be offside, yangithola.
That's what-
If Podlela, cause Podlela kiri from that position, he's having at least a better view than CM.
Sure.
If he was able to say, CM, let's push, yangithola, anticipate that pass before even it comes, before it even comes.
Yeah.
That was offside, in fact. That was offside, yangithola. I agree with the rating, in fact. Podlela, you know, it's hard to criticize about Podlela because for me, if it I know what like Podlela, if it like it's Podlela, and at this age, he won't get any better. So I think it's like he reached his ceiling on solar coast.
Yeah.
So it's going to be very difficult at this age to although we want him to take responsibility, but I know what he doesn't have the ability. In fact, he's often go and then he gives the ball away, and then Chigesaka scores.
Yeah.
I think we must gradually introduce that Chabatani guy.
Sure.
I think we must gradually introduce Chabatani Coast.
Yeah, I agree, Donna. We need Chabazani. And I've been saying, I think that's our center pairing, Chabazani and CM. Well,
Yeah.
Podlela and Fair to motivate the boys and Fair to you've done fantastic for the team, and you can still add value in Fair in terms of your experience and guidance to the boys. Well, Marada mo feel the nda ke ne ka dintwana Fair to dilo mata. Yeah. Yesterday's rating, I was looking at a 5, but Kyaluto or a 3. Because I thought he was like similar to CM or one in terms of rating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know now why I agree with Mr. Mlambo. It's because of that thing. Morena, he should be the one taking
Sure.
leadership. The back line, the one so.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
should be the one. You can't panic. Let's say I'm about panic. What are you saying
And he's
to
not
this?
taking responsibility every game. Nali game kumele ayithathe because I need to see him ehlala athathe responsibility.
Sure.
Even last pod we said CMI is like older than Podlela.
Hey,
On these games uPodlela akabonise ke ukuthi mdala.
Young dog.
Atayisa abafana.
Exactly, mfethu, yangizwala. If Mr. Mlambo, you are my supervisor, and then when you face a challenge, you become scared. Yangizwala. What will that do to me, mfethu?
Nah,
I'm gonna run away and say, my supervisor can't do this. Mina ngizoyenzani, yangizwala. You must show leadership, mfethu, yangizwala.
Sure.
So, terrible performance from Sweets, mfethu. I think I agree with the trend. Moving on to TNO2.
Hoto was wonderful. Down.
Yeah.
Hoto was. That's why I was really and Hoto for me.
Yeah.
They've played so well in fact. So Hoto Akasabi doesn't shy away from
Yeah.
this kind of games. Zombona Kichima Lapaya, and he even got a chance now. First half Nkhohli kuyibala le ayishaya so.
Oh,
Think
yeah,
on
yeah.
a volley. You understand? But he was there in fact. When you need Hoto, he was there in fact. Now you find ungifanele nje no Speedy Bini ngimka 7 ne na ngizomka 7.
Yeah. What do you think of Auto Coast?
Yeah, I think he had a good outing yesterday. It was just a P2. It was not our game yesterday or one. But yeah, I think he was decent. I would have given him a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But even the 6 is still at least a 1.
Yeah.
But yeah, now I'll push him to a 7. And I think if it to like Papa Manyana, now that there's competition, you can see he was not sleepy one so
Yeah.
he was on the neck of the idea. Of who was playing there was Morena.
No, Morena.
Morena, yeah. One so once Morena holds the ball, in fact. Reading was there, one so and even those diagonal passes,
Yeah.
he was competing with Mudao, like Ariel, and I think he created 1 or 2 chances after winning the initial head. Because really wasn't giving that guy too much to do.
Sure.
But you could see once
Hoto
Hoto
goes.
at least there's a difference with those aerial balls.
Yeah.
I think he adds a different dimension as well. I agree with the 7. And I agree between him and Speedway. Who got man of the match, man? Was it from Sundowns?
Sundowns.
Oh, yeah.
Goals.
But from us, in fact, I'm looking at him in Speedway. Moving on to Masindi Noptachera Coast.
Cash, I'll call him Cash.
Yeah, we'll come to Cash.
All right.
Yeah, Nemtachela mfethu ish. Yesterday mfethu it wasn't his best game. When he was hiding a lot, man. When in moments that we needed him. And I think part of the press or Spana was that thing or udutsile cash da komedileng. Maybe cash upikile play one or bali two aba big. One so then we trying to press but by forward are really 2 or 3 one so nerdular short. So I was looking or mntwana netlamila ye pele at least alo pusha to say multi press. But we're on the ball as well. We didn't see him a lot. I would have loved him to be on the ball more. Cash and collect those balls from cash, link us with the front line. So yeah, Manish yesterday, John Wick didn't impress me.
Yeah. Do you think like sometimes he hides John Wick in Donna? Cause we're having that conversation with Mr. Mlambo on our way home or what?
Yeah.
I was saying, but John Wick in fact is being having these performances. So like, if you remember, but hasn't been playing. Okay, but no before.
Yeah.
He was playing and he was like invisible in games. That's why we were frustrated.
Sure.
Do you think he hides sometimes? Nomtache.
I don't know, I don't know because he's the type of player that I would want. Man, he should like being on the ball more.
Yeah.
So I don't know, maybe get the tactics a coach, but I don't want to believe he hides in fact or he stays in his shell. I feel like maybe coach can to drop out to Sakeshi. Yeah, let them have the ball as he said or post match he wanted them to have the ball. So I think that thing cost anyway or then he becomes ngarayo mfethu yes and wabona cash now wamtsiba uhlulele cash wabona utosha sponsor then you ask yourself or then Masindi what is he helping us with? So I think if Naga yakupili more, then that's where we would need him. That's where we would see him more. That's where he would have more impactful in the game.
Yeah. And then for shout out to Masindi, like defensively, like he holds it down.
Sure.
He really holds it down. Sometimes you see, sometimes Shaka Peg pass, there was way he recovered very well, and you could see where that ball was dangerous.
Sure.
Like when it comes to defensive responsibilities, he's forever present. Now I question Masindi Nomtache. It's when we have the ball. Like something is not right there. I don't know, maybe it's those coaches' instruction or what. But I'd like to not think what is coach's instruction because whenever Mbata comes in the same position, or Master Chef, you see, or they try, even though sometimes it's not their game, but it's not someone who would pass for 10 minutes without seeing him doing anything. So he has to improve in his game when we go forward. In fact, I mean, like if you are number 8, in fact, we expecting a lot from you. You can't Cash do everything. Like Cash and Dwana, you are okay. Defensive obvious is always there. But even going forward, collecting the ball, trying to play progressive passes, there is no touch here. Nowhere to be found. So, what did you think of his performance, Mr. Mno?
Anibekile bafethu. Ikop netale. Ikop when he had umaka kamnandi.
Yeah.
You heard me, I was crying. Masindi. Because he was recovering well, boy move. But you just educated me. Yeah, he was anonymous when you have the ball. Because between immediate field day to number 10 and also attackers, there was a gap there. That's why it was difficult for us to figure out. Misfigure la paya ngetum, Sipo chain, then Butuma is to fight, then we fight for the second ball. You understand? I think in Ibege grand, but I'll give him a 5 because defensively he was marvelous. Marvelous. It was good. Recovering, assisting with cash, lapping melam assisted one. But when we had the ball, was nowhere to be found.
I think a 5 is fair, and I think he was just average. Moving on to Cash Kihleni Makau.
Sipatala sibancane iziyampressa lezi. Ngiyalavuza impressa khona kayi2. Hey, lezi Sundowns zibeka ama trap. Sibeka ama-trap sifuna ukesha alithathe then ziyacava ukuthi ukhulile slow then ziyampressa maka cash mfethu yes cishe zalithatha eli-1 I think uMatthews cishe wakora in those kind of mistakes but I like ukuthi ucash is always there still noma ngibangathi balithatha mekada alwa recovering agijima ngathi akekho mdala mfethu cash mfethu is our father kule Orlando Pirates team because even nasebumnyameni noma kungekho mnandi you could see it could spot the difference between our players ukuthi ubani umdala uHutho no Cash ngithola we need another leader Sibisi to show us that if maybe you have 4 or 5 leaders even the small ones gonna have Tito Nyambala lapho even the small ones apolice aborede they'll have that mentality ngithola ukuthi aw na makhona yalo which is Cash is an example of that ukuthi that guy is a leader I understand that trying to fight showing the boys ukuthi abafethu nababafana laba azidlaleni
and the way he plays Mr. Mlam I think he can still give us for 2-3 seasons I know he's old but that guy is smart in fact he knows ukuthi he doesn't have the legs so you won't find him doing okay sometimes he'll do that odd run but not all the time he's always there managing things someone uthola ukuthi uHotho mhlawumbe ulovile ngithola into enjani ukhona and he doesn't have pace but nge-technique umnandi he knows how to go to the space so that so that whatever the attacker is doing is able to maybe to go back with the ball one-on-one duels a few times with Mokoena and I was interested in that in those duels could see his strength that guy as well sometimes he shows off attacking players like nothing low sense of gravity he has like the right qualities he just needs a partner there Mr. Mlamo that is going to complement him
on that one
it was Mbatha yes I think yesterday okay goodish nyana performance
I think Lena is one of those contenders in our man of the match, Go Pirates. I think he was decent. I would count him Lebos Belebele Lebohoto. I think he had a very good game.
Rating I can't tell.
And then it's a 6. I don't think he had that good game. Lama chances la le press le bamshaya ngayo could have costed us angithola. Phela like bamkhebisele kayi2. uNkulunkulu mekanathi understand but ngeke sikhalele yena ngizokhalela i-team the way we space ukuthi nango uyabona ukuthi uvaliwe umphathelana those kind of things but didn't have a good game mara like Mega there was there showing ukuthi nami ngikhona
I think I'd take a 6 I think I'd take a 6 moving on to Sinapolis and who played that beautiful ball you have to mention it.
It's special.
I thought the pro passes picking someone out of it what's like takan through give
opula sha mremi ka yona ka final shapa ka yona sibila pass marefa mu
is good
he's too good
too good
how do you think of his performance?
I think that's the only thing we should did the pass nothing else I think he was shying away nothing else bafethu I didn't see anything the pass was good apart from the pass nothing dololo
and if you see whenever he's playing that 10 position it seems to be on the game but whenever he goes to the right he's like she's yabanda but when he plays in that 10 position he's in the center of everything you think that position maybe it suits him better that number 10 or right on the right
I think it does suit him not really mabeyenza so cause kunesikhathi na tholile ibhola I could have made better decisions first half sakhumbula lesi ngize ngikhala ngithi why aphaswerile ngapha why angaphasanga ngapha you remember that chance he did get those things but decision making wise was not good and I was frustrated ngepress yakhe there was a time ngize ngithi ayi man umzimba wakhe ngathi doesn't wanna run, doesn't wanna do. I think yesterday it was one of those games. I think Police Utanda when the team is playing, you understand. It's not more on marking. You wouldn't see a police amaka cool. Because Sundowns you may overload the side early one if you petty baller. That's why maybe I can't put a good
But he was
space.
still ping very out.
But not the way I would have liked. You understand? Even forward. That's why in Tanga maybe shy and press. And number two mfethu mekangazi when to press, when to what. And because nalabantu laba mebakude number two including him or police, including Nori. You understand?
I think I get what you're saying, and I think for me it goes back to the coach's tactic.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
wanting to overload the midfield.
The midfield,
then,
sure,
Yes, then it will
sure.
leave us stranded. Go pressing.
Sure, because sometimes you'd find him like attackile E.
Yes.
And then when they play the ball on their left back, go Mudiva.
Yeah.
Then one about
What
them
was
chase like a sprint.
yeah,
One so
yeah.
like you could see where they were
Sure.
overly concerned get that midfield. One so
True.
almost like there's someone that they don't trust in our team, maybe to do the job. One so other thing it must be simple coast man to man.
Man to man.
Let's go to these people.
Sure.
One so like it. So, Apoli Sindana, do you share the same sentiments as Mr. Mlam? To say it was only that path?
No man, I think because I'm nyana man tanga bekazama. Yeah, mazo poli. You will never be like silent.
Yeah.
Somewhere maybe they don't come off, but you'll see him.
Yeah.
There's that one more nai sietse mbuthu mo rwentseng ne ba mmaka mbuthu mo tla fetele that could have also been a chance. So yeah, my second a policy man I know he can still give us more. Yeah. But yeah, yesterday it wasn't really fantastic. But you can say that about a lot of our players.
Yeah. I think I accepted the kind of player Apoli is. So he's going to take an extra touch.
Yeah.
No matter how you can fight him. So now what I like about him is that he'll take the extra touch. He won't lose the ball.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, like 8 times out of 10, it's gonna make the correct decision.
Sure.
So it's gonna play through pass in. Yeah. It's something else when you always take an extra touch and then
you lose it.
When the time comes, you do your own thing. That's completely opposite to Puli in fact. That in fact you should have played that ball. Who was taking was Tito, ne?
Tito and Butu.
Yeah, Tito and Butu.
Two.
Getting to the same direction.
Another chance first half.
Rating
Average, it's a 5.
5, ne? Yeah, I think I'd take a 5. Coast. Did you take a 5 as well?
Yeah, I think if we give Black Ball 6, then I think Apoli can be 5.
Ne?
Yeah.
Come on, Black Ball.
Yeah.
Number
Cashman.
8.
Kesiding Wakau.
Yeah. President Tama 2000 in Tangarela Mufukeng.
Mekanovalo bhuti lithu unama-chance abhaya watholile ukhokomelo nokuthatha umndawo mekazombulala mfethu ngiyakutshela mina ukhokomelo mekazombulala umndawo afune nje ukuyenza a safe thing.
Nice.
Mfethu you are Cocomelon, you are president of all the 2Ks and isikhathi sawo ama-2Ks. You understand that you have the powers. Yambo ukukhume kanjani kuba ama-Dragon Balls. That's Mfukeng for us or in South Africa for ama-2000.
Yeah.
You understand. He's able and is having ability of taking whoever. Even Nomuda, megangambulala. You understand. Even nama decisions he could have done better decisions. Mela shy nokuthi uyaphasa yangithola. Mela phase akashayanga nokushaya. I think yesterday game izolo njengoba uGostashile most of our players were average and I think I expected more from Murile, but he has been playing so well. Angeke ngimcrucify kakhulu because namanye ama player mewangamsiza kwezinye izinto.
Yeah. Like really for me like really is not a touchline winger. And I think because that Modao guy, he has experience, he was forcing him to be like that touchline. Whenever he tries to come in the middle, he's here. With Magai Bamba, he's on his toes. Magaya ngara ku touchline. I don't think he's that effective coming from there. I think that's why aphume game. You could see what he was trying, but that guy bekamlandela monitor nje ama movements. I think VA uvalo mfana, that's a good point. Sometimes you get that 1-2 where you like fortunately able to turn and face it. Take him on. Like take him on the feet. Like you're looking at you, really you see it's difficult. Our coach did his own thing. Individual brilliance will do. We are Savannah. He goes backwards. He played a lot of back passes.
Yeah, not so really. I can see why I have him sorry. I was on disappointed. Take on Mudau.
Take on Mudau.
Let's test him. And what's on the advantage? If Walmart is senior, is Mudau, it's fine. We understand. But we have that chance to Rogam crack to them fit.
I want.
And I thought that it's no for to know like you check and like utlo sala libitso la Mudau, because that guy now it's Bomateti one taller. Now obviously the pace starts to regress on ability, strength one taller. Same as Bobo Kyle Walker on tour.
Sure.
Kyle Walker come fit up la come city. So say till bitso la Kyle Walker. But when you see him fit like he's both expose him one tour like then I think maybe I need someone like Moremi, touchline wing on tour. Matisang, like every time on Cerro Paul,
that's a good point.
On tour. Because if to they can't be at the peak forever. One tour. Some point they're going to decline. And I think these are the moments. So really not disappointed. Number one, but it wasn't terrible then.
Average now.
Yeah. The 5 performance.
Sure.
I think I take a 5. And then moving on to Tito Masanganya.
Tito.
Banda kushisa kumnyama kusemini ndoda Tito Maswanganye will always say we Tito. You know why? Because he's a leader. He didn't shy away again, it's all. Akabasabi. He showed that. Noma maybe angayenzanga into enkulu akabasabi. You understand? And we'll just come kulento le penalty njengoba bathola igoal da. For me, I didn't see a penalty personally, you understand? But maybe bamthintile kancane ukuthi alale. I hear people complain, why did Alalile? Why he couldn't score? Like ulalile because maybe uzwe contact and use boxing.
Have you seen that? Have you looked back at that ticket?
Check out.
Have you looked back at it?
I'm fine. They're still free. I'm shy.
That's a bad ticket, Mr. Mlamofit. That's a bad ticket, Mfit. Like if you had VAR there, it was straight red. Like he went through the men to get the ball. And it's like these tackles, so and he came flying.
One lotola Tito ne le jwang ka still frame. Like la ba thola snap se ba freeze tse mo amshanga contact. Le tenne sauce but I want some sharpile mfit. There was impact there.
I don't understand if it really nice many. Why that's a pair. Like for me, that's a pair defeat. Like that's a straight penalty defeat.
Changes the complexion of the game.
Changed in the it changed completely defeat. And then Tito, as Mr. Mlam was saying, Tito was trying defeat. He was trying. You could see if we're gonna get a goal, it was gonna come from Tito. There was only one person that was trying there. And then there's no supply, coach. You must consider that as well.
I would look at Panda fit.
But now what I want him to improve on his game. We know Tito like on Almo. But no, don't waste energy. Because sometimes like why waste the energy? Poly maybe. He's trying to chase that guy. You will see Tito sprinting, passing
Mbutu does that.
Mbutu more busy. Once all like why waste energy and then
Sure.
check the second half side once all.
Yeah.
It's still to that, but when we have the ball, you can see your
Akaseko.
eyes tired, it's
Yeah.
easily shoved off the ball.
Sure.
One so like
Sure.
if you can just why is it like don't waste your energy, Tito.
Good
One so
point, Tang.
when a poli go there, leave him. A
Yeah.
poli go run for that ball.
Sure.
One so
Sure.
cause him for to second half we really needed Tito, and I could understand the coach's substitution.
Yeah.
But if we had Tito for to more, I believe if it's not the second goal.
Yeah.
One so.
Yeah.
So mara udlalile yena.
awudlalile ntanga kakhulu yabo, and he could have scored maybe 2 goals because nale chance futhi akayitholile ngithola technique akayenzanga maka like leya yaphanda mfethu leyayenda ibasaba bomkwena ayisabi leya.
Yeah,
That's what is nice angithola to have abantu abangasabi egroundini.
sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Now I'll give him a 7. Now he was also there. You could see. Yes, he didn't score ezinye izinto ezithi, but like he didn't put a foot wrong in terms of ukuthi kadlisa ibhola kwenye.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think I take a 7. But considering Noguchi, even that goal, if you don't shoot, you don't score. And so,
Yeah.
Scored.
ipatanisile angizoli tinjani.
Sure.
But did they credit the goal to him?
Yeah, definitely.
Ne,
Yeah.
because that was on target.
Sure.
Cabanga leyo thi yakora yo.
Hey, ndoda leyo siyaskorela futhi, like siyaskorela.
Only 6 now ngeke. Kuhlula abantu abaningi.
Yo, dang.
That's Tito for you.
That's Tito for you. Moving on to Ufana Kakoko Mbutsuma.
Energy is there. Yabona ilezi midlala imarathon lezi abombuthu yazibona. Ngithola zaki noma inganaphisi uyayibona, but like he has to understand when to press, when not to press, because na lela game limshayile zona, and we give it to him, you understand. Dangubonile Calabash mekunjani zona, shunayo uvalo lithe qwaqwa, because ndanga uthola ama chance futhi apolice pinpoint ekhanda score mfethu.
It was my first time seeing Mr. Mlambo frustrated yesterday. Hey, Mr. Mlambo, he was frustrated. Yo, I don't know, it's the fact that he's taking Skomota's position. Genuinely. Even when Mutuma missed, you feel.
No.
This guy,
He's on
I'm looking at Mr. Mlambo. I'm saying, Mr. Mlambo is not the one who's patient. Hey, but yesterday, yesterday,
He's on a ghost.
yeah.
Yesterday we were supposed to win.
Var, yeah.
And manje, in Sundown say la, it la. Intermain. Maybe win. Same points.
They go
Mutumu was
top.
getting a chance. Score.
Yeah.
How many chances did he get for him to score? That's why I'm saying angeke sikhale ngocoach kakhulu. Nama player nawo anesandla. You understand? Ukuthi like thola ama chance mfethu. Umbuthuma I think first half ile lekhanda kunalapho kumele adlule nebhola ufuka uliphasa like mekukuningi mfethu. And like he is able to do that.
Yeah.
That's why I also was frustrated. He's able to do that.
Yeah.
Yabona la akashaya ipali amagoli akhe, he's able to score. He must believe in himself. You understand?
Yeah.
Because manje uzosigaya good performance now. Mbuthuma big game. Good performance. Big game alala. Sizogcina singasamthandi. Uyawazi amabhakane mfethu ukuthi we can't count on Mbuthuma because uyakhetha. Ukhetha ama game. Coach believes kuye. How many chances does he get? How many chances does he convert? You understand? I think yesterday in Mfethu mekanga converter some few chances. The game was gonna be different. We lost maybe 4 or 5 chances. I think it's a problem yakaya one. We lost maybe or we missed 4 or 5 chances. Sundowns got 2. And they scored.
He buried them, yeah.
You understand? So my frustration was coming from there. Bona nabo Tito, bonke nabo Hotho. But to me, mekuye kakhulu.
Yeah.
Because he finds himself in good spaces always. He's always there. In the right space, right moment.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nje anyakazise inet.
Yeah. I think it was just a bit in the office for Mbuthuma, because you know when you're talking like this, I'm thinking, like sometimes a you'd see, I know he's a favorite player, CR7,
Sure.
especially when he was still at Madrid.
Sure.
Sometimes if you have a game where he has like 4 or 5 chances, clear, one of that header, I could see Haaland heading that ball exactly the same way as Mutuma did, Abo Ronaldo sometimes,
But he scores early one.
yeah?
That's what he's gonna give you.
No, so I'm saying sometimes there's that game.
One game,
I
yeah.
remember that one game where Ronaldo even apologized to Real Madrid fans. He
I-
missed like 6 when I
Sure.
posed him
Before,
feet.
before
Almost
we
6
continue,
chances. Yeah.
how many games does Mutuma leaves ama-chances? Ngiyireyizile na last time.
Yeah.
Uyawathola akusileli la izolo kuphela.
Yeah.
Uyawathola ama-chances abhaya mfethu.
Yeah.
And uthatha isikhathi ukuthi akore and is capable of scoring. Yes, there are those games eli-one ukuthi hayi singamupha mfethu umbutho omuhle alakore. But like yena ama-game amaningi mfethu he misses that guy.
Yeah, but at least he's not the one who would go for like many games without scoring. I'm not saying he's a prolific goal scorer and so. That's why I'm trying to be lenient a bit because I know what like he buries some, he buries. Although I agree with you, he's not at the level that you want him to be.
Sure.
And yesterday it was bad. But I could see someone like Abu Ronaldo, Abu Haaland sometimes having those games. Even that one, Shaipal of it, he did everything right there.
That's what was
In
good.
danger.
Yeah.
He did everything right.
Yeah.
Just that sometimes it's a bad day at the office.
It's not your day, yeah.
So, yesterday, that was a bad performance, let's be honest. But I still give him some leeway, because sometimes he scores.
Yeah. No, I totally agree, Donna.
Yeah.
I totally agree.
Yeah. How would you rate him, Mr. Mno?
It's a 4. I even told you ukuthi mina mengamdonsa second half.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngiyabona ngifake uDe Jong. Because mina my concern was press, dog.
Yeah.
We must press as a team. If you're not
As a
pressing,
team, yeah.
let's not press. Sazi ukuthi sila.
Yeah.
The reason why Messi in bits and pieces meyiqala kuye because akazi ukuthi imelayo. Uyaya Tito yalandela sesiya nga 1 bashaya.
Yeah.
If uyabona ukuthi hayi ukude lo angithi uyayichain, just drop back. It's fine ke. If drop back sonke it's fine ke basiqhaqhe si compact. Dan basiqhaqhe ngokuthi ngathi intwana mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's difficult, Mr. Mlambo, to just sit back when you're 2 goals down.
Even before mfethu that second goal. That second goal into mengikhala ngayo. You must know when to press, not when to press. 2 goals mfethu ishaya ngabo 40 minutes, 35 minutes. But within that cut before mekangazi ukuthi apresse nini. So I wanted uDe Jong ukuthi angene because uya understand lento le is experienced. So if yena mekazongena mekazowazi ukuthi hayi ithi ngingayi manje ithi ngiye manje. That was the logic menginayo mina mangithi asifakeni uDe Jong because like uzo understand when to go when not to go.
Yeah. I hear you, and I agree with the 4 rating. I mean, the 4 is very lenient, Mr. Mlambo. That was a bad performance. Too.
I think it wasn't his best, Wawan. But I think I'll take a 4 of Ayaman. He still finds himself in those spaces, Wawan.
Yeah.
I like a striker that gets chances, man. I don't like a striker who synonymous more game aside the shot, nothing, Wawan.
Yeah.
I would rather take those shots, Wawan. Then next game you'll score.
Yeah, and I like the fact that he was there once.
Yeah.
There's nothing frustrating like opposition defense being on holiday. Those guys in fact Mutumo was constantly on their neck until asking questions. In danger. So yeah, I'd give him credit for that as well. Okay, and the phone we start and so on. Moving on to Moremi. The first substitution came in for Tito Masangani, 66 minutes.
So if you 66 minutes, sometimes we say manage a game. We say it's a need next. After we scored that goal, Sisi Jose Abuye, but manage a game in
Yeah.
After that goal, you saw Adams. You saw that boy, but I think that boy was good.
Yeah.
Adams Izolo loyo Sundowns, he was good
Yeah.
in terms of understanding when to take the game phezulu, when to minimize the game. And I think in the end abashangayo babonile sescored and they were capable of coming back. They managed the game. They didn't want to score at Sundowns season. After that 2 goals, they were managing the game. And Umremi Magengena, there was nothing which he could have done because Meganga told supply.
Did you notice that Muremi, those few minutes, he played 3 different positions?
Uqale ku left.
Uqale ku
waya
right.
right. Uqale ku left Magengena. Waya ku right. Waya ku strike.
Now uqale ku right.
Okay.
Really was still on the left.
Okay.
And then he went to the left. Oh, and then he went to striking position, and then he went to the left. You know, so again, for me, that
Coach. Yeah.
it's like he doesn't know what he's doing.
What's up?
Mr. Mlam, like he find a find and
Sure.
let's see and so maybe let's his pace, let's put him there more oh no. Okay, let's change him, let's put him there one so
Sure.
like poor planning, poor. Then I'm it was impossible for him to have a good game. They can't put you here 5 minutes, and that 5 minutes is still trying to get the tempo of the game. No, move there, go there. You're still trying to get the tempo. No, go move there. Before you know it, it's chai. So there's nothing that he could have done. And I blame the coach more.
Yeah.
He didn't do nothing. Just running.
Average.
I think after Tito was substituted as well, we
just
didn't look
average.
like we're gonna score.
Yeah. That's up your Tito Rona. It's like it's programmed. But I could see he was fatigued. But
It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. Sometimes coach take off Podela. He's not doing much there. Put him Rahim.
Sure.
And I give him even if you win 3-1, 2-1, still fine.
Yeah.
But we can try and chance it 2-2 at least. And then you cried for Dijong and then he came in Dijong for a policy at the 74 minutes.
Yeah, I wanted him to go phambili mangibona coach say amfaka as a 10, but there was nothing imekazoyenza izolo. Naye mekaloku lokamaka azama ukumaka in, but there was nothing. That's why I'm saying after you have scored, Sundowns managed the game so well.
Yeah.
We didn't play. All of the subs la wangenile. There is no one who ends the impact ubona ukuthi yo, we really needed this guy, including him now De Jong, you understand? It was just average.
Average, yeah. Yeah, but it was the one at least that I saw. That's how manyana. Then the one I like Muremi. Muremi was just running. So moving on to Van Rooyen, who came in for Speedy Bidi, 85 minutes.
Ngiyayifina ayikho into mekazoyenza.
Yeah.
Average, like didn't see anything from Van Rooyen until uyangena game yaphela.
Msendami coast 85 minutes.
Yeah, I'm Sendami Page. Yeah. I think he's still gonna need some more time. I think he's not adjusting as fast as we wanted him. Yeah. Sometimes he takes that extra touch and he doesn't do the right thing. So few moments and I could see like the same pattern from the previous games is continuing. So I'm slowly getting worried for him, but I just hope he can pick himself up and then give us better performances.
Yeah. He put it right. He's getting worried. Because every time he gives us the same performances, and it doesn't help again that he comes in where we chasing this Mamelodi Sundowns team. It's pressure there goes to and so like you're expecting a lot from you when you get in there. His performances are not good enough so far. But at least he has a luxury of time because he's a new signing. But he really needs to pick up.
True.
He needs to pick up, Mr. Mlam.
There is no time, Lord. I mean, I sing bonita. Kunini.
So right.
hayi ukuthi ngiright kumele abuye asebenze naye kunabo shenka abahleli lapha
Oh,
ngithi
okay.
nabo radio pana abadlala 2 games 3 games
Sure.
bayiswa na akayi naye ayizwe
Yeah.
then uzobuya motivated asilwele that's
Yeah,
what I'm crying because like akasigayi next
Sure.
mina ngiyamazi from kumarumo I think he was good but thina akakasiphi next like you don't get excited mayengena
Yeah.
understand not ukuthi ngiyambhesha or what but like akasigayi next mfethu
Yeah.
abu radio pani bangasigayi next angithi bayale emqeni abo Shenku umgcineni noShenku
If it's been a long time.
ababuye nabo umsandeni nabo bezwe lapha ya kuyashintshwana ngithi ama impact players rotation asimrotate naye
Ne?
How we begin?
Let's rotate him. Because the more he gives us these performances,
uzofana
the more.
noKwayib then sithi umsendami
Hey, young doll. Young doll. I understand, coach, what he's doing. But if you can see what he's trying to do,
Protect him.
it doesn't work. Let's protect him. One
Sure.
doll. I mean, the weekend we're playing against the
Mdlalise 90
Nedbank Cup. Young doll.
Kazrik
You don't have to put him Gakimi. It's a high pressure. He hasn't been performing as a sub. One doll.
Yeah.
I'm Kenya. What do you expect him to do? He's not gonna do nothing.
Yeah.
Rather throw in a master chef then compact that midfield. Like you want to win the midfield battle
Sure.
because it's so important to you than goals. Put in master chef. Very control entire
Sure.
and so on. And again, he's getting in for Mbutsuma. He was a striker for a wing.
Sure.
Should be playing with the Jong and Mbutsuma there. Twin nine. So playing long balls there to them. They're both good at the air. And so we'll get second balls and try something. And so again, gonna like one dimensional. You always wanna do the same thing for the 90 minutes plus, trying to do the same thing.
Not working.
And yeah, moving on, Mr. Mlambo, to offense.
always 100 but like mina ngiyakhala ushilo ubekile umntana khabo Karabo
Yeah.
nathi madoda la e-studio must sing for the boys sing center line I think I always give them 100 but nabo they disappointed me yesterday Senzo Meyiwa bayabiza kusaseni nini they scored 2 goals you saw Sundowns there bumping and pouncing go to Los Blancos uthi 3 kuMadrid uzobona kusaculwa ingoma yeMadrid you leading Madrid kodwa basacula ingoma yeMadrid those guys came to us Miss Banini center line should keep on mfethu singing there ngithi yadliwa kumnyama mfethu asibaculela abafana uyibekile mfethu umntana khabo Karabo yangithola but we appreciate ukuthi they keep on supporting Orlando Pirates but let's support them noma kubheda mfethu because abafana like they would like mebazoyithola leyo nto leyo you understand so nabo just imagine you when you always play uzwi number ukuthi anama bhakane ayalibiza izinto ziyabheda udlala neSundowns awusalizwi number uzwa ingoma zabo lezi zale ePitori like they sense it nabo ukuthi sesisodwa ke ama fan nawo squatted you understand which is another pressure think you can do better
Ne? But I think Mr. Mlambo, sometimes Nati you shouldn't be used like as scapegoats if it's young son. I'd like to think if we were 2-0 down, Mr. Mlambo, ne? And you could see we trying something like we are organized, we pressing at the right moment. I think we wanna get behind the team. But if we are 2-0 down and then we still disjointed in fact. I mean, and the lesson line I would say now they should do better. There was that time where we were 2-0 down. You could cheer. They were trying to cheer the team up. Young Gancane. That's what I'm saying, Guti. Even the team must give us something so that we try and young and cheer them up.
I like to differ with you there because the team has been giving us like throughout the season have been giving us everything. Shukuthi thina socula makumnandi kuphela.
No.
So
that's not what I'm saying.
Phela if they are disjointed, shukuthi akukho mnandi, ziyakhala. Yithi kumele sibe la. sibavuse.
Yeah. No, I'm okay. We can be there, but Mr. Mlambo, what I'm saying is, we shouldn't be a scapegoat to say even the fans are at fault. Give us something to cheer. We can even be 5-0 down, but if you see your Ghost,
The
these
performance.
guys are trying. One so like these guys are trying. They're moving like a team that we've been watching. They are fighting.
Sure.
There was no fight there, Fitz. There was no
But-
fight.
but I-
One so equally fans, Lerona. Antwana, Lerona, there's no fight because the team is not fighting. What are we fighting for?
Can't the team in?
One
It's,
so
it's also us. That's why I made you an example. Los Blancos, Madrid is playing idlala ne-Ajax. Ayidlali.
but
Yes,
sometimes
I'm
in
just
that, I mean,
making-
I see that.
I'm just making an example.
Yeah,
Mara,
I'm
most of
responding to the example.
Most of the times, they'll be behind.
Sometimes you see them
Impela
worried
kancane.
if it's with that white things,
But
checking
my
there
thing
with
is,
what's
impela
happening.
kancane. I'm not saying we are scapegoats ukuthi abafethu badliwe.
But nathi
Ngithi
imvela
thina-
kancane, Mr.
thina-
Mlambo,
ngithi
let's be
thina let's
honest.
share them. Thina sibi nama-problem kakhulu, especially this season. Thina when there are problems, ama-gents angadlali kahle siyathula. Thina. Noma singayaphi thina mfethu this season we've been doing so well, winning games, doing ama-clean sheet. That's why we've been singing.
Yeah.
But if izinto azihambi kahle, siyathula.
Yeah.
Mina ngilapho, that's my point.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm not saying you are wrong, ne?
Yeah.
I'm not saying you are wrong. Then I agree with you, and I agree with that lady, you are young, so.
Yeah.
But me now to the team as well. I'm saying, for us to do that, young tall, let's show these people what are we trying to do, young tall. Because it's difficult to cheer someone if you don't really see what they're trying to do. I mean, we'll end up being like Team Sesha Wambuma 6-0 without any ambition. You'll see their friends jumping,
it
drinking,
came
what?
A1.
The keeper, eh?
But it came A1. Thina mfethu they've been showing us throughout the season. Meaning it came
I'm
A1.
not saying you are right, Mr. Mlam. But me now, what I'm saying, I'm not saying you are wrong. Ne? You are right, Mr. Mlam. But what I'm saying is, the team as well. If it's coach, young Zola, okay, you can try and lift the team, change your tactics to say, well, let's fix the press, young Zola in danger. We wanna come and cheer, young Zola. I mean, I don't mind if even when we are 2-0 down, 3-0 down, 4-0 down. But when you see what we're trying to do, it's very difficult to cheer like yesterday's performance. We can try, but it will be very difficult.
Sure.
But at the same time, I'm like worried if it get you frustrated.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
want to like it.
Sure. Now the emotions do
The emotions do the one to like it.
Sure.
Like you wanna leave Sundowns a shot second goal of it. Sikubona amasandawana anza champa if it just that I'm not a violent person. So I think I square leading you up here like you like it twag. You wanna Mr. Mlamonza entertain like Kenya Lord. I would say Masandawana Kiale gara. Why you just join Sundowns there?
Sure.
One to like it. Yeah, Kenya, Kenya. But I agree with you and I agree with that lady as well. Lorona for two. We should do more. But players, Lorona try to motivate us in difficult moments.
Sure.
One so, moving on to the referee,
Ayithulo lokho kuyahleka la.
Jelly Chivane.
Yo, ayenze mfethu angajaji penalty angajaji aqeda hleke. Yo, damn it.
Didn't
Can't do
even
that,
see
no.
what you got there.
Yasmile nje. Hayi.
He was just smiling throughout the game.
Umbone.
Yeah.
Hayi, mina le every time angiyibona le hayi angijabule, hayi angijabulisi.
Ne?
It's a bochacha out here.
I khona ujaja ne.
It's a bochacha.
I don't know, I could tell as well. It doesn't. Even if it's okay, live guy 4 minutes in the
You watch it.
like 4 minutes in the
Like
like greedy fit.
Yeah.
Hey, ndanga.
Oh, but le first half.
First half, but how many Sundowns players? I mean, I must substitution. You see 2 players. Lo munye ulalele, lo munye ulalele. My fault. It's really late there for a long time. Young Zol in danger. That guy gives us 4 minutes. If it, young Zol. That's not a judging thing. That's like common sense. Oh, stopwatch thing to say ki stop ile one so I resume.
Can be
Okay,
difficult.
1+1 ki na
Sure.
go tamniki ere fit.
Normally the referee ne di Kenya watch stay to di qala draw one so.
Eh,
Antse ba senya nako ye misa e.
Emisa e.
So
Sure.
le yona ke re ya ko 90.
Sure,
So then
sure.
wa bona okay e mna te e mo mra ka 5 minutes.
Sure.
Then you
sure.
add 5 minutes. One so. So I don't know what that guy was doing, but I had to go judge.
Mfana, I don't know if it was introduce who does that law or is it rugby or I think it's rugby where you post or keep basketball. Where like ibhola uma liphumile like i-referee pause or it pauses
No,
even there.
basketball.
Yeah, on so
Sure.
why don't you just do that Ntwana so that they be transparent? Because they're in a discretionary Ntwana.
Yeah.
Like some of these guys, they are even corrupt in fact. One so let's be honest. You know they're corrupt. One so
Yeah.
if it post that thing, we see it there go big screening. I fella. No one is
Kina it's
complaining.
sure,
One so
sure.
no one is complaining if it is chai.
Yeah.
One so bad one if it. He said how much guy two. I agree with the two. We'll give him two because he was running. Other than that, it's nothing. And so,
Yeah.
on Saturday in Dango, we're facing
Kazrick.
Kasrik Stars, Netbank. Who do we introduce there?
Dancing.
Yeah, maybe let's start at the back, Mr. Mlam. So that's not confuse amabhakane.
Uyisa uSipho mfethu ngifuna uSipho Vimbi. Buthelezi.
So like, alright.
Awutsheliva hayi Buthelezi.
Yeah, that's free kick.
Napha nge-free kick ngibuyisa uSipho ukuthi uSipho Vimbi sizomdinga kakhulu manje. Akavimbe ngeke alimale lapha
Hey, two
yana.
kick Kazrick.
Yeah, against iKazrick.
Hey, two like yaktus.
Hayi ngithuse ngibuyisela uSipho nje ngifuna lokadlala. Ubuthelezi siyabonga. Mina ngiyabonga. I understand.
Yeah.
Then go right back. Undlozi uva Undlozi.
Akavaya ngundlozi.
Uva yini?
Simfayisile undlozi.
Too early man. Ama right backs nabo ba ulibitsa akabuye. Yabo,
Liviso ntwana uthini ntwana?
I'm no longer sure now if it was I don't know how it be like. Yeah.
But the communication with Tomabani and your sisters, where do you get this information?
By part information if
I like if why hiding this information. Because if you but Papa frustrated through
why we not seeing Mang Mang, yeah.
and then but you'll hear someone are injured.
Sure.
You're like where do you get that information?
Then you
Because
see
I know
machine.
go organ tindwana like get yeah before the writing
the lineup.
the press conference the first journalist Toto Fitlang I thought okay let's do the squad update to one who's injured who's not, then they'll say okay maybe this and this is injured okay how long is he expected to be on the sideline it's a minor issue I want medical will advise I want Mang is not there Mang is not there but yeah and I like find a here
Journalism ya rona ka it's non-existent to chala fela fa.
ne
Yeah, I know chevela la batlo ntsha ditori tsa maka batlo jwetsa mbatha o injati next thing ke o le mbatha wa shima le first team wa bona. So you don't really know what's what.
Sure.
So I think journalism ya rona it's bad. It's
bad ne
Yeah, that's why o bona la di coach le di idiots that comment that are already buang tse better. They don't even hold them to task. They don't even ask them to account. So they just smile and go about it. So and I think our journalism just dead.
It's like they're giving them too much respect.
Yeah.
Or sometimes it has to be like a hostile, you know, a hostile relationship between a journalist and a coach.
Sure.
Again, I got a press conference. It's time to account.
Sure.
Or questions are coming. Nice questions every week.
You don't want to upset the coach.
You want to like it.
Coach abo missed.
I don't know, man. Or baba cause or if it's don't ask this, don't ask about this, or I don't know what's but like abaspani bathu 1 and it makes no sense because we as the fans, in fact, we are interested in that information.
We are interested in
why
that
are you not
information?
asking it? And if you are in the field, we would assume or you already know this is what the fans wants to know.
Exactly.
You already see or this is what happening in Europe.
Yeah.
So that it can be rocket science. Why are you
It's
not just
copy-paste
asking?
in that.
Yeah.
Copy paste.
That's like I don't know if maybe there's another factor ever in the rang or basketball coach the real questions. Because it doesn't make sense. So why are they not asking them?
Why are they not asking if it's why? If it's one so like doesn't make sense at all.
Yeah.
It's not difficult. One so. So you're still on the right back, Mr. Mlambo. We have Spilibili, we have Van Rooyen that we know.
Simfaka
Our Spilibili is out, ne? So it's only Van Rooyen then.
Do you think he's out Karat injured?
no,
But
Yeah?
it's probable, was it?
It's probable.
Because
I think
I think
out.
it's the knee, okay.
Right. Phela mfuthu phela you must notice Mr. Mlambo he wasn't able to uphume nge-stretch. I wonder if he was limping nyana you could see it's something that he'll run off tomorrow. I didn't imagine that this game is on Saturday.
Sure.
He won't make it. I think
simfaka ikhala and like le game ekhasri kisilungisela la bekumele sibatinyela ngithi.
yeah.
Singamfaka uMasekent aqhubeke because he has been playing improve.
Yeah, improve, yeah.
Then on the left back uNdaba ngathanda ukumbona.
Yeah, Ndaba must come
Ngathanda
in. Sure.
ukumbona. Center back Chabatane most definitely.
Chabatane must come
Chance
in.
yakhe.
Yeah.
No Pipi. Chabatane and Pipi. Mfethu I'd like to see Sesane mfethu.
Ne?
I'd like to see Sesane mfethu. I think like it's just unfortunate for him mfethu whatever is happening.
Yeah.
Kumele adlale because sizomdinga lapho mfethu sekunzima khona unfit like match fitness ayikho. So these are the times
You can give him even 45 minutes.
yeah
Just for him to get minutes.
Ukuthi
Also.
adlale,
Yeah, because I'm a bit worried because now his friend, I think they were on that recovery process bonke nondaba ngithola maybe indawo yamhlebela ngala uthi hey phela ngayizi yakhipha ngayi-Stelis ngithola into so he must start playing. If it once he's not playing I become worried as well. Quality defender that you have there.
Yeah.
then endishini ngiyambuyisela uCash ngimkhipha uCash akamela akadlala uCash as much as he can.
Yeah, but Cash, you must manage his minutes, Mr. Mlambo, man.
But seyizophela school i-league.
But if Cash goes down with it, you don't even do the as well.
We have Masindi.
Yeah, Masindi, you can't defend.
Cash ngithanda ukumbuyisela on this one because siku-last 4 last 16 last 8
Yeah, I think
That's
it's 8.
8.
Yeah, 8.
last 8 akudlalwa sesiseduzana
Yeah.
faka ucash la at least because uyabona ngithi i-defense yami ngiyithwikhile abantu abangajwayelanga ukudlala bonke at least makuzoba no-cash kuzoba i-guidance la ukuthi uyabagada.
I got
I
them, man.
understand agade nje ama-chance ukuthi abe mnandi so I would like to see someone who's gonna give us structure because uyodlalayo we didn't change 11 yakhe.
Yeah.
Then dancing
As well.
yeah adlala in 8.
Yeah.
Then Tito we bring Tito back.
Bring it up back, ne?
Yeah adlale angasastophi.
Number 10.
Sibuyisela Moremi hayi Moremi urile no Apolis.
Mr. Mlambo is going strong, fit.
Kazri,
asibabulale mfethu sazi
Yeah,
ukuthi
or we can make changes second half, ne?
we can make change njengoba qalile last time ne-TTM asiyenze futhi.
Yeah.
We do not want to find problems in this game. Let's just fix it nje before iqala.
Yeah.
Thola sibabulala. Then sibalanda ngayo uDiong. Uyababulala lapha phezulu uyababhoboza.
Yeah. Hey, that's a strong 11, ne?
Master Chef, no shout. Kanti Master Chef uyocala mapha ama-game.
Hey, Master
Master
Chef.
Chef udinga amagame amakhulu. Leli izolo leli mekumela asuku.
When is it? When is Master? That's a good one. Because Mbata, I don't want to see him. I don't want to see Mbata.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to see him, but
But Master Chef, and then I'd like to see Master Chef.
Shenko, in fact.
It's Shenko as well. That is on the side. Because give us yours. Like, okay, defense, I think we pretty much agree with Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, from midfield to strike.
Namfithi midfield to striker D6 la kifaka slap. Wantona.
Slap.
Yeah. Amo polish lap. Slip akhathi imali. Uyangithola. I like that
Konje
ball.
ke mang uvalidate.
Over Eden playing where?
Ndlozi, akusundlozi.
Which position? Center.
Center. Oh, kwai.
Kwai.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Slep ke le leng ya dlala a few games ebe ya squatting ngopo.
Yeah. Ke bon.
Slep ka skatela imali. Then ku 8 ngifake no chef. Ku 10 ngifake uShenko. Then left wing asifake umsendami simbone kahle yeah ngithola asifake umsendami or maybe angaba ku right and then ku left singafaka yena umreni yabo yeah then as strike I would want to see radio man back, man. I think it's this is a radio man game.
It's a good one.
Yeah. That would be my 4-1.
Apparently that guy is injured.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, coach confirmed. That's the only one you know. But I thought I like his come like we injured like because he has been playing.
He's training too hard.
Amantotala. Libito and limazwe yini.
Libito versus old. I mean, this young man is come out.
2000.
I get 2000. Yeah, but that's a good shout when I goes to introduce some of the fringe players.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can take us to, was it our log?
Yeah, we can do our log buffet too. Not a lot changed, so suganje ku 24 matches played, siyaku 25, and then correct prediction. Sithole wrong sonke because we lost, and then correct score nayo. Feda ma chance be wayitholile but the other way around. But now bakhetshile kanjalo, so ama points asahleli bafethu 26 fire, 25 ghost, number last nengomasha 23. Then yeah, we can do our predictions bafethu for Kazrick
3-0 to Orlando Pirates.
4-0.
Ha now tia champa nje number last. Mina ngithi 6-0 phakani yawa. 6-0.
How good! I wish for that. Please, some confidence back.
We have to bounce back. We have to make a statement.
Yeah.
They could really bola mthuthu abaribashe ba di results bari wenzakalani manje kanti bafethu.
Well, it's gonna be difficult. Ka West Lab.
Now kabo Shenko mfethu kabo Naiding kabo Tantans. Radio man, but still quality da. Yeah. And it's Kazrick, man. It's Kazrick, guys. Yeah, it's Kazrick.
Oh, I'd love to see a 6. Just for the boys to bring back some confidence.
Yeah. It's a 6.
Yeah. Mopagania, we've reached the end of the show. Mopagania, I'll remind you again, to please support our Twitter, Pirates Fans TV, still struggling. Please support our Instagram now, it's still struggling. Pirates Fans TV, to please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, Mr. Mlambo.
Injalo namhlanje umoya uphansi mabhakaniya, you can see. It was not a good one, but it's football after all. Football is life, you have to take it. Sesikhohliwe game la izolo siyaphambili sesibheka Kazrick. Yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ngiqhubekeni nisithandeni bafethu, nathi we love you so much.
Takho Mr. Mlambo, amalanga wafani mabhakaniya kodwa sibuya ngeKazrick. So finisha ngola mthu to save February bafethu.
Yeah.
Asihlanganeni esikotini eArena Saturday mabhakaniya support abafana. Siculeni bafethu njengoba uSisteribeka asikhwazile bafethu. Let's support the boys. Sibuye nayo le victory le and progress to the semi-finals. Bopha mabhakaniya sivaleni bopha.